Okay, so in this video we are looking at doing some scapular stabilisation, so stabilising your shoulder blades. We're going to use a resistance band. I'm going to use a door handle because it tends to be a case of whatever you've got at home. So we're just going to throw out, this is just another idea of what you can use. So all we're going to do is getting the resistance band. Okay, I'm going to use a chair to sit on because I want it pretty much in line with my shoulders. I've tried it standing, I'm too high. I've tried it kneeling, I'm too low. So I'm going to use this this chair. I'm going to pull it back a little bit so that I've got some resistance on. So to set yourself up, make sure that you've got a little bit of resistance on the band to start off with. And what you're looking at is you're looking at starting off with that pretty much rounded position. From there, I want to sit up tall, and again my shoulder blades are still rounded, and all we're going to do from there is I'm going to squeeze my shoulder blades together. I'm going to hold for 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to slowly release them back down, and then I'm going to go again. So squeezing shoulder blades together, making sure my shoulders are away from my ears so that they're not up in this position. They're pushed down, my shoulders are relaxed, I'm squeezing my shoulder blades together, and then I'm gently releasing. Again, and I'm sitting up tall, so I'm not letting it round my back. Sitting up tall, squeezing my shoulder blades together, hold it, 1, 2, 3, and then I'm releasing it back down. So this is to start stabilizing your scapula. From here, we're going to add a little bit of a row. So again, you're going to squeeze together first, and then I'm going to start bending my elbows and squeezing and pulling all the way back. Now when I start releasing here, I want to make sure that my shoulder blades are still squeezing tightly together. So I'm gently releasing, my shoulder blades are still squeezing, and then I'm going to relax them. So again, squeeze the shoulder blades first, then add the row, and then gently release, and then you can release the row. To make it a little bit more difficult, what you do is squeeze the shoulder blades, add the row, you're going to release the row but still squeezing the shoulder blades. You're then just going to add another row, still squeezing the shoulder blades and still squeezing, keep rowing. So that's to make it a little bit harder so you don't ever really release that that scapula when you're rowing. So this is just another way that you can do that scapular stabilization using a resistance band this time.